Hi there, it's Justine Harcourt to reveal once more. We are in the VRT Sandbox here at Hack Belgium, and I am in the studio with Alexandra Vanhuyse from the KBC Group.
Hey, Justine, thanks.
Welcome. We want to talk about, you are an expert and help curate the Fintech stuff, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
So we have a lot of questions because banks are a lot in the news these days, or at least on people's mind. Will they even exist? What's your thought about what's your thought about the future?
I think if the question is, will banks be here in 10 years, 15 years, I think the answer is yes. I think if I look at the Belgian market, for instance, let me focus on what we are seeing happening in the fintech space. So typically you look at market share of banks and at mobile penetration, and we see that fintech innovation, fintech evolutions, new solutions are really being led by banks in partnership with fintech start and scale-ups. So I think in 10, 15 years time, we'll still have all the banks or lots of banks working with fintechs to really get that customer experience to the next level.
Well, we all like good customer experience. Mm-hmm. And Alexandra, I know before the thing we talked about how we'll have a clock going, so we're going to get as many more questions in as we can, because we've lost a minute or so. So how can fintech help us reach sustainable development goals? Do you have any thoughts on that?
Yeah, absolutely. I love this question.
Good.
Because just today there was a publication of the World Economic Forum in a refugee camp in Jordan. They just released this amazing fintech solution. So they combine blockchain, identity, and finance all together in one. So if you're in a refugee camp, typically you don't have any credit card on you, you don't have any cash, or you lose your cash, or it's really just not that easy to do that. So they've launched a solution whereby if you go to a shop on the refugee camp, through facial recognition, they recognize your identity, they recognize how many food stamps or whatever kind of currency that you have, they recognize your balance, and they also let you pay just with facial recognition and on blockchain. So it's just an amazing thing on how fintech can help money going around in refugee camps, how sustainable development goals can be achieved.
That's a wonderful story, and quite surprising, you know.
Absolutely.
We think of old institutions are moving into this new technology, and blockchain is certainly one of the most popular technologies that people talk about. So let's look here. What kind of interesting projects have you seen here at Hack Belgium?
Okay, so I'm a finance girl, but I have a very strong interest in anything that's related to the environment, to cleaning the oceans, for instance. So I was really curious to see how this vibe really goes, and tomorrow I'm for sure wanting to hear all those pitches. On the finance challenge, so we had a couple of workshops on financial education, financial engagement, and financial protection, and it's really all about not finance, but about how your values can be combined with finance, and you can realize your hopes and dreams.
That's what we love. We love hopes and dreams.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, thanks so much, Alexandra, for being with us, and we're going to go back, and we will see people tomorrow for more Hack Belgium exciting interviews here in the VRT Sandbox at Hack Belgium. Thank you.